Ever pondered the art of building a stock portfolio from scratch? Welcome to the virtual platform that simplifies investing for everyone. Today, the spotlight is on constructing a robust stock portfolio. Whether you're a novice or an established investor looking to polish your approach, this comprehensive guide is your toolbox for success. A stock portfolio, in its essence, is a collection of stocks that you own with the aim of increasing in value over time. But how does one begin this journey? Follow these straightforward steps. Kickstart the process by outlining your investment objectives. Are you stashing away funds for retirement, a dream house, or perhaps your offspring's education? These goals will form the blueprint of your investment strategy, influencing the selection of stocks and the duration of holding them. The subsequent step calls for an assessment of your risk tolerance. Every individual's comfort level with risk varies. A younger investor might have an appetite for riskier ventures in pursuit of higher returns. Conversely, if you're nearing retirement, you might lean towards safer, more stable investments. Gaining a clear understanding of this will aid in sculpting a balanced portfolio. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and delve into research. Seek out companies exhibiting robust financial health, competent management, and promising growth potential. Diversify your portfolio by incorporating stocks from a variety of sectors and industries. This strategy serves to mitigate your risk. Next, make a choice between being an active or a passive investor. Active investors keep an eye on market trends and frequently buy and sell stocks accordingly. On the flip side, passive investors buy stocks with a long-term perspective in mind. Both approaches come with their set of advantages and disadvantages, so pick what resonates with you. For beginners, it's advisable to start small. Even starting with a single stock and progressively adding more as you gain confidence and your financial circumstances permit is a sound strategy. This approach allows you to learn on the job without being exposed to excessive risk up front. It's crucial to regularly monitor your portfolio and make necessary adjustments. Your investment objectives or risk tolerance may evolve over time, and market fluctuations are a given. Rebalancing ensures that your portfolio remains in sync with your goals. Building a stock portfolio is a journey, not a sprint. It demands patience, diligent research, and a crystal clear understanding of your financial objectives. Remember, there's no universal strategy that fits all, but by adhering to these steps, you're well on your path to crafting a portfolio that serves you well. We've reached the end of this video. If you found it beneficial, show some love with a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who might be interested in creating their own stock portfolio. Until our next rendezvous, here's wishing you happy investing.